Listen up, woodworkers. You may have seen automatically adjusting clamps before, but if you haven't used Armor Tools Auto Adjust clamps, you're missing the only real auto-adjusting clamp technology. Armor's Auto Adjust multi-purpose and face clamps come equipped with patented cam lock technology that allows you to smoothly clamp varying thicknesses while maintaining the same pressure without readjusting, so you can interchange from thin stock to thick with no adjustments. While other clamps use the wedge lock system, Armor's cam lock system stays consistent and smooth regardless the thickness of your workpiece. To adjust your pressure, simply rotate the adjustment screw to your desired clamping pressure and go. Armor Tool Auto Adjust clamps are available in 3-inch and 6-inch multi-purpose and face clamps. The 3-inch multi-purpose and face clamps have a 3-inch reach and can clamp materials up to 2 7/8 inches thick, while the 6-inch multi-purpose and face clamps have a 6-inch reach and clamp materials up to 4 1/4 inches. The Armor Tool face clamps also feature a large clamping pad to spread clamping force evenly and avoid marring or marking your project. Remember, consistency is in the cam, and the cam is in Armor Tool.